Hi everyone, welcome back to week 5 of Learning Gardens. I'm Kelsey, the market gardener.
And I'm Jillian, I'm the livestock coordinator.
And I hope you have your fun meter turned to max today because we are with Will, the orchard manager.
Hi, I'm Will. I take care of the orchard. We've got 13 types of apples. We have blackberries, black raspberries, goji berries, elderberries, and I make sure that we get a good crop off of them and make sure that you guys have plenty of fruit to pick when we come out here. So behind us we have our blackberries. We have an early fruiting variety, a mid fruiting variety, and then a late season fruiting variety, which basically means they ripen just kind of different times of the summer. And right now they're finishing putting up their flowers and they're starting to form their fruits, and which is perfect because we have a berry fest coming up on the 19th and 20th, and so we'll have plenty of berries for you guys to pick right around that time. And then, for the next 3 or 4 weeks, we'll have berries for everybody to come out and pick.
So everything in your learning gardens is going to be an annual, which is what I'm growing in our greenhouse for vegetable production.
So Will, are those things that you grow in the orchard, are those annuals too?
Nope, we don't have any annuals in the orchard. Everything we grow is a perennial, which means it comes back year after year.
So in a few weeks, you guys will be able to eat your lettuce and your radishes, and you'll also have your calendula flowers. What parts of the berry plant can you eat, Will?
So you typically eat the fruit of the berry plant, and the fruit forms on the flowers. So once the flowers form and they open up their petals, the bees come in and they pollinate the flowers, and then those eventually turn into the fruit, and then once those get ripe, they're ready to eat.
So Will, you said that the blackberries will last throughout the season. What else do you have coming up this summer?
So we've got the blackberries finishing up in late June to early July, and then we've got apples that are going to get ripe late August, and that'll last until mid-September, late September. We have raspberry you pick in the fall with the apples as well. We're also doing a pumpkin patch and sunflowers for you guys to be able to you pick your own pumpkins and pick your own sunflowers.
Well, thanks, Will, for having us out to the orchard today. It's been really cool. What are you going to do next?
Yeah, thanks for having me. I'm actually going to go give a tour and teach a group of a garden club about berries and show them exactly what they need to grow a good crop of berries.
So as you guys can see, my learning garden is really big and we're getting really close to being able to harvest it.
I actually took a peek in your learning garden, Jillian. If you dig into your radishes, you have some getting pretty close.
Ooh, yeah, I do. Yay, that's exciting.
And you guys might be seeing that at home as well. My bag is still a little bit further behind. My lettuce is quite a bit smaller, and I do not have any radishes that are starting to fill in yet. But we are getting there slowly. Don't worry if that's what yours looks like.
So hopefully next week we'll be able to show you in a video how you guys can harvest your own stuff. So until next time, just keep an eye on how dry your plants are getting, especially with it being so hot. Make sure that they have plenty of water. They should still get sun, but maybe don't keep them in the sun all day since it's supposed to be like 90 for the rest of this week. So just keep an eye on the water content.
And if you guys pay attention, you might even see some little insects and some holes in your leaves from bugs munching on them. So just keep an eye on that, and we'll talk about that in a future video. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next week.
Bye.